gorgeous winter's day. There I was, standing on the water. On ice, really. I was watching these guys. They were casting their bait. DeJour appears. You remember her?
You ever have that feeling where you're not sure if you're awake or still dreaming?
All the time. It's called mescaline. It's the only way to fly. Hey, look, it just sounds to me like, you need to unplug, man. Get some R&R? Hey, what do you think, DeJour? Should we take him with us?
Definitely.
I can't. I have work tomorrow.
Come on. It'll be fun. I promise.
I can't. Really. I have work in the morning.